Hey, what's up guys, it's me, Hiway. Hope you're all having an amazing time and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. So today we are featuring T-Hub. So it's a co-working space here in Angeles City, and yeah, we're gonna check out their amenities and food. Connect, work, study, eat, and nap, all in one place. So T-Hub is one of the rare establishments you will find here in Angeles City. According to their About section, they offer a working space or a study place for students, digital nomads, freelancers, entrepreneurs who are looking for an escape or the isolation of home, a library, office, or a coffee shop. So yeah, the services they offer, so they have a high-speed unlimited internet connection. They do also have a work and study space. They have a meeting room, or they call it the idea room. They also have a nap room. Yeah, so if you got tired of studying or working on your project, you can actually use their nap room. So they also have a shower room. Yeah, they do have a tech lunch wherein you can chill, watch a Netflix or your favorite YouTube videos. Here's how it works. So you go here, you do your thing, you study, you do your work, and then for the per hour pass, 1 hour costs 70 pesos and you get 1 round of coffee or juice. Now the succeeding hour is just 50 pesos, and if you're planning to have a whole day pass, so that's only 350 pesos. That's an entire day for you to work here or study here. Have it, guys. Thank you for watching our vlog. Thank you so much to Ma'am Tina, Ma'am Rose, and Doc Aris for inviting us. So like I mentioned on our live video, I am inviting my digital influencers, freelancers, students, or any person actually who wants to look for a place where you can study or work. So this is the place to be. T-Hub. This is located at Angeles City, along MacArthur Highway of Marisol. Pinaka-landmark niya po is Veranda Restaurant, I think. But anyway, again, thank you for watching here in Pampanga. Peace out. Bye. Life begins